Hello, my mystic friends. I'm Warburn Stormjoy. Welcome to my channel, Let's Talk Pagan, where I try to help others connect with spirit or their spirit guides through my gift of clairaudience or through divination with my pendulum, Alistair. Today's video is about the worm moon and a ritual that my husband and I will be performing this evening, called a cake and wine ritual. Okay, before we get into that though, I wanted to show you a little thing I got in the mail today, or yesterday actually. It is a new wand that is on its way. And what I mean by that is I'm going to make myself my own wand out of this is bloodwood. Now, I enjoy dragon's blood scent and incense immensely. Dragon's blood essential oils is what I use for perfume. That is the only scent that I will wear. Well, I was internet searching one day, and I found a site that sells, I've been wanting to make a wand of a similar, my own wand, out of something very similar to dragon's blood. Well, the closest I could get was bloodwood. So, this little chunk of wood is going to become my new wand. I'm still debating on how I want to shape it. The inspirations are coming, but it'll be a bit. But you'll be along for the journey as I make this little chunk of wood into a new wand. Okay? Now back to what I was talking about. Today is March 18th, and it is the full moon of March, which is the worm moon. The ritual that my husband and I are going to do this evening is called a wine and cake ritual. And basically what we are doing is I will be preparing 2 little honey cakes, one for he and I and one for the spirits of the forest and land that we live on. We will be taking a little trek out into our forest. We will be giving tribute to the forest spirits that protect our land, the spirit of the land itself who provides for us, and giving a special tribute to our spirit guides that guide and help us through our everyday life. For those of you who are new to this channel or don't know me, I am a clairaudient and speak to spirit, or spirit speaks to me. And most of the time, what is happening is that someone else's spirit guide will come to me and ask me to, because they know I can hear them, they will ask me to tell someone else who they are, to help them connect with the person they're supposed to connect with. And I do this on occasion. Now, my own spirit guides, I have spirit guides that come and go on occasion, but I have 3 very important spirit guides with me all the time. And those three spirit guides are Raksha, who is a green-eyed blackbird wolf. She is my inner strength. She is me in the best way I can put it. She embodies who I am. And Raksha lends her strength to me when I need it. She is beautiful in every way, and she helps me immensely. She helps me stay calm when I need to be calm. She helps me stand up for myself when I need to stand up for myself. Now, the next is kind of a different animal. And I think you guys will like this one. His name is Eden. Eden. Eden is a owl cat hybrid griffin. Okay? Eden is my protector. He protects my inner door, which I've talked about in another video. My inner door is how I protect myself from the negative spirits out there, or being inundated too much with spirit. Well, Eden guards that door. He keeps the nasties away, if you know what I mean. And he protects me from the nasty type of spirits that are out there, and helps keep the negativity at bay as much as possible. Now, the third of my spirit guides is very special to me. She is an ancestor. She is a Native American ancestor. Her name is Lilano, and she is my muse. How do I put this? Have you ever had a grandmother that tells you how to do things, and when she does, she tells you in explicit detail? Well, that would be Lilano. She comes to me in my dreams and helps me with everything. And sometimes it's a little daunting, but I love her unconditionally. She is my creativity, and I love it. So when my husband and I do this ritual this evening, this is how it will go. We will take the 2 honey cakes that I will prepare here in a little while, with the intent of gratitude and respect, love, and a desire to continue a magical bond with our land and the spirits within it. I will infuse those attributes into the cakes while I bake them. Then we will find a place in our forest. We will take the cakes and wine. Now, neither of us drinks, so we will be using sparkling water. Now, you don't have to live in the forest in order to do this. You can do it anywhere, as long as you're outside. You can even do this on your balcony if you live in the city. Go outside, open yourself to let the spirits of your your spirit guides, the spirit, nature spirits around you. Feel your gratitude. Feel your respect. Exude the love you have for them and the desire to continue your magical bond. Then then what you do is you take a bite of one of the cakes, a drink of the wine, you leave the cake on the ground, you pour the wine around the cakes. If you live on a balcony and all that, you don't really want, just leave a bowl of wine next to the cakes. And retreat from the area, leaving the tribute behind. Knowing that you have given your offering, that the respect and unconditional love is returned to you, and that your continued magical bond is as strong as it can be. That is how simple this ritual is. We chose to do it this evening, even though it is a little rainy and wet and all of that. It is March, because we've been experiencing quite a bit of negativity in our lives lately, and we feel it necessary to reconnect. And that's what this is for. I hope that you're listening to me, and I hope that you all will reconnect with your spirit guides and reconnect with nature any way you can. Thank you for joining me for this little video today. And until we meet again, blessed be. Bye now.